Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's sorry about that. It's Wednesday, February the 19th, 2014. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the chief market commentator for AGORACOM. I've done my morning routine. I've gone through a bunch of press releases and found a bunch that stand out to me. I talk about on the show what it is about the news that stands out. Then I'll also give you some insight into the stock charts of the companies. We generally try to make the show about 10 minutes long. It does range from, it can get up to 10 to 15 minutes long when I've got lots of news, and today I've got lots of news. I think we've got 8 or 9 companies, so I'm going to get right to it and try to get through this as quickly as possible. The first company on the schedule today is Mandalay Resources. Mandalay Resources announced their financial results for the fourth quarter and full year 2013. They had revenue of $39.1 million, earnings EBITDA of $13.9 million, and the company delivered. They had $166 million in annual revenue. They had net income of $29.4 million or 9 cents a share. All the details are in the press release on the company's website. Just looking at the stock right now, and it's down 2 cents today to 93 cents on 31,000 shares traded hands. Just looking at the stock chart. Oops, pushed the wrong button. Of course, I always do that from time to time. The stock chart's looking actually pretty solid. It had a bottom in June, rallied quite significantly off of that, gave back some of those gains during the October to December type window, and since then it's been on a much more bullish trend. I'm liking this trend a lot. And it's above its 20/50 and 100-day moving average. Since December, it's making higher highs and higher lows on fairly decent volume. Good trend for this Mandalay, and I picked it before. I think it's another one I could talk about on the end of the week show, best of the best of weekly news. MND is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next up is Marathon Gold. Marathon Gold announced drill results from their Sprite area of the Valentine Lake project. One of the highlight hole hit 2.2 grams per ton gold over 16.8 meters in true thickness. So very good numbers there. I looked at the drill results, and I'm liking what I'm seeing in the drilling results. They've got some very good grades in there. Just looking at the stock chart right now, and the stock is down a penny and a half today on only 6,800 shares traded. It's trading at 28.5 cents. Looking at the stock chart now, and it's a bit of a patchy trader. It doesn't trade a lot. This company could use some help on their audience building. They do have an interesting chart, though. Since November lows, it's performed a lot better. But again, when they have these kind of patchy trading kind of stocks, it's always hard to get a good assessment or good confidence in the stock trend. So it's hard for me to make a call on that one. MOZ.T is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. Next one is Integra Gold. And Integra Gold had another batch of holes from their Matamac gold project, which is located in Val-d'Or, Quebec. One of the highlight holes hit 91.3 grams per ton gold over 1 meter, 73.75 grams per ton over 1 meter, and 29.69 grams per ton over 3 meters at the parallel zone. These are quite consistently good grades that they're finding. As is often the case, the high grades can be over narrow intersections, but very promising drill results with this company. Just looking at the drilling or the stock now, it's up 2 cents today, which is a 6.3% gain on 978,000 shares. 978,000 shares traded, last at 34 cents. Pulling up the stock chart now, and this one's been on a very good move since the December-January lows. It had a spike move early or just recently, and has retained a lot of those gains. It's now aggressively above its 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages, all on very good volume. And this is related to their drilling, so that's a good combination for that company. ICG is the stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Diamcor. Diamcor Mining had some more results. They found a 43.9 carat gem quality special diamond from their Venetia project in South Africa, and they just looking at the details here. When they call it special, it's usually because it's got some rough or some color to it. I'm not seeing that immediately on the drill results. You can find that, on the results. You can find that on the company's press release, those details. But nice seeing them pulling out some very big and valuable stones. The stock's up 2 cents today to $1.43 on 62,000 shares traded hands. Just looking at their stock chart, and Diamcor is not a big trader either. It's in definite need of building its audience and needs help with the building audience. So it's always really difficult for me to give a good solid, get any confidence when I make a call on a stock chart like that. So I'm not even going to bother, but I do like following this project. DMI is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Columbus Gold. Columbus Gold had drill results from their East Side Gold project in Nevada. They had the highlight hole with 64 meters of 1.43 grams per ton gold. They have some very good drill results there. I'm quite interested in seeing more from this project. When they get good drill results in Nevada, always excite me and make me want to learn more about the project. Stock's down a couple cents today to 46 cents on 606,000 shares traded hands. Just pulling up the chart now, and this one's been on a very bullish move since the summer lows in early July. Had a big move into the towards the end of September, gave back some of the gains, but not a lot of them. Kind of went sideways for October, November, and December. But since then, it's resumed a very bullish trend, starting right in the first day of trading this year. It's aggressively above the 20, 50, and 100-day on good volume. Very interesting trend and drill results. CGT is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture. Next up is Canada Strategic Metals and Matamac. They had drill results out, and they extended their zone 25 at depth into the northwest, hitting 2.77 grams per ton of gold over 20.5 meters. Included in there was 3.23 grams per ton gold over 13.535 meters. This is from the Sakami gold project. I'm not sure where it is. I don't think they put that on the press release, but I'll have to find that out. I do like what I'm seeing in their drill results. They've got some very good intersections, good grades. It's close to surface. It's a good combination there. It looks like this project is in Val-d'Or, Quebec. Just looking at the stock chart for Matamac, they're flat today to 9.5 cents on 378,000 shares traded hands. Kind of a soft chart there. Not too confident in that chart. Just pulling up now. I pulled up Matamac. I'm gonna pull up CJC, which is CJC, which is Canada Strategic Metals. They're up half a penny today to 9 cents on 257,000 shares traded. They have more of a bullish trend on their stock since December. I'm actually liking what I see in this stock. So we'll have to do some more homework. CJC is their stock symbol. That's Canada Strategic, and their partner Matamac is MAT, both on the venture exchange. Or yes, Matamac is on the venture, as is CJC, I believe. Let me just get that up there, make sure for you. Pretty sure it is trading on the venture. Yes, it is. Next up is Nexgen Energy. Nexgen Energy had they drilled. This stock is getting a lot of attention today. They drilled 26.2 meters of highly anomalous radioactivity on the first hole at their Arrow Rook 1 Southwest Athabasca Basin Highlight project. Yeah, they hit mineralization there, but based on the handheld scintillometer readings, they're not super high grade like I've seen before. It's very encouraging that they're getting uranium mineralization on this new project, and it is the first hole, so you need to learn a lot more about the project, but the market sure loved this news. It's up 19.5 cents today to 42 cents, which is an 86.7% move on 4.3 million shares traded hands. As I said, the market got really excited about this. I'm always nervous about these big spiky moves. I would suspect that this one's going to give back a lot of these gains. But again, I'm going to be putting this company on my radar screen because anytime you hit some uranium mineralization, even though it may not look like high grade yet, they could be into a high grade system, so they need to do some more drilling. NXE is their stock symbol. They trade on the venture exchange. Next up is Premier Gold. Premier Gold Mines had drill results from their Cove project, which is in Nevada, and it's along the Eureka Battle Mountain trend in Nevada. They had some excellent drill results, 13.22 grams per ton gold over 10 meters and 28.05 grams per ton gold across 4.5 meters. So some very nice high-grade drill results there, and it wasn't an isolated situation. You can find that in the company's on the news release, a table of all the drill results. But this project, like all of Premier Gold's projects, just continue to deliver really good results. That's why I'm a big fan of this company. I've picked them multiple times. Their stock is up 3 cents today to $2.48 on 774,000 shares traded. The stock has been on a very nice move since the December lows. It was trading for about $1.30 on the lows in December, and since then it's been a very powerful move. It looks like your classic cup and handle type trend, and I think that this one has a lot higher to go this year. I like what I'm seeing a lot in the trend. It's above its 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages, and on very good volume. And I think it's got much higher to go. PG is the stock symbol, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. And the final company today is from Fission Uranium. Fission Uranium had another spectacular drill hole. 10 meters of 38.49% uranium at their Patterson Lake South project, which they own 100% of now. Just very spectacular type of results. And let me see, they've got that one hole, then they had other drill holes with very good results as well. This company and this project just continues to deliver exceptionally good results time and time again. This last hole, they hit it, looks like in 2 different sections, super high grade in both sections. Really liking what I'm seeing with this project a lot. And it's a takeover target as far as I'm concerned. The market really liked the news too. It's up 12 cents today, which is a 10% gain to $1.31 on 9.75 million shares traded hands. So again, the market really liked this news. Stock spiked up today. I think it's on its from the trend I'm seeing since December. I think it's on its way to some new all-time highs. I'm a big fan of this project. FCU is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. So that's all the news for today. As always, before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to speak with your financial advisors and do your homework ultimately as well. You can join us from Monday through Thursday on the for the daily news shows. From those daily news shows, I pick the best of those, and at the end of the week, we come up with our best of the best in weekly news, and George Cholis and I do that show. You can find all of our shows over on agoracom.com, also on the blog at blog.agoracom.com, and on my website at alanberryreports.com. On that note, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.